Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway C box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Panini Dominion box break number 52. Here's the last team up for auction. Here's Edmonton. So in the box is NE206-674-469. That's NE206-674-469. Start on the base card, 193 to 299, Brad Marchand for the Bruins. You got a patch out a rookie, 160 to 299 for the Islanders of Thomas Hickey. Got an ace hit here, 20 out of 51. Patch auto of Alexander Ovechkin. New jersey card, 72 to 99 for the Canucks of Jordan Schroeder. And you got a rookie of Sean Lalonde, 134 to 299 for the Blackhawks. And you have a base 61 to 299 for the Coyotes of Michael Bodker to finish off the break. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.